Good morning. I have a iris here that is ruffled, and it's a lot of ruffled on it. And this is a tall-bearded iris, and when I open this pole petal, it's really big. It's just because when they ruffle, they look like a small petal, but it's really huge petal when I open it. It's not a small one, but because it curl, it's the curl from bottom and from top makes the iris so special, more elegant look and more spectacular. And you see, this type of iris is you can say they have a few color on it, like the beard is orange, and I can see like almost cream here in the vein and in the edges of the pole petal, and yellow, and I don't know what is color on the bottom. Yeah, it's a kind of yellow too, a little bit, maybe cream, more yellow, more of a solid yellow in a standard petal on top. And the name of this iris is dress to the nines. Dress to the nines is meaning maybe all the clothing or fashion in the year 1990s, they name after this iris. And I'm happy to see this iris thriving in a zone 3, zone 4, where I live in Calgary, Alberta. And because they came from a more warmer place than here in the city where I live, because here the zoning here is some part is zone 3, some zone 4, and this one came from zone 7, zone 8, so it double the cold here in the place where this iris planted. Um, and this was ordered in Oregon, and bring over here in Canada. So there's some processing here to send it to the USDA and check for phytosanitary, and have a permit for it, and pay more shipping to the US, pay shipping to the Canada again. And that's why this iris, I baby this, because of the cost related